Hi guys, Guide TV here bringing you a new video. So in this video we'll look at how to arrange your data in alphabetical form. So what I have here is a spreadsheet in which you can see the names of candidates, their ages and the marks from 100, a total of 100, and the remarks whether they have failed or passed the exam. And at the end we obviously have their grade in the particular exam. So what I want to do is I want to arrange the names of the candidates in alphabetical order. As you can see, we have a pretty random data from Jason up to you have Linda at the end, and you can see it's pretty messed up. I want to arrange it in an alphabetical order, and this is a basic technique in Excel. If you're new to Excel, this will help you a lot and make your job a lot more easier. Now most people they ask me that how we can sort data in alphabetical form. We don't know that. We have to type in the individual names in an alphabetical order in order to do our work. So I wanted to make a video in which I wanted to show what Excel can do in order to make your lives a lot more easier. So let's go ahead with the tutorial. Now first of all, you'll select the data which you want to sort. Now in order to do that, you can select this whole column of names. I'll do that up till name number 50, which is Linda. Now after selecting the data you want to sort out, you'll go into the data tab over here, or you can see data, and you'll click that tab, and what you have here is sort. Now it gives you two options, whether to sort from A to Z or from Z to A. So what I want is to sort the data in descending order from A to Z. So I click that, and as you can see our data is arranged according to our requirement. We have a pretty organized data, and what is amazing about this is that when you sort a particular column, Excel automatically sorts all the other data as well, so you won't have additional thing to do. You can see Adam. Let me press Ctrl Z. I'll show you Adam. Now let's see Adam's data before. Where is Adam? Let's see Adam. Here we have Adam. Now his age was 20, and he had 28 marks out of 100, which is obviously not enough, so he failed the exam. Now let's see Adam's data after we have sorted this column alphabetically. Now we'll do that again. Alright, so Adam comes at the top. Now what you'll see is that Adam's data is unchanged. So we have now a pretty organized data. What we want to do now is we want to change the serial number, so that is not a big issue. You'll just write 1, 2 and 3, and you select all these three serial numbers, and you drag the whole column down. You see this plus sign, you'll click and you'll drag it down till the data right till where the data ends, and now you have a perfectly arranged and organized spreadsheet. Now that concludes our tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this, and please let me know what you think about this tutorial in the comments below, and do subscribe to my channel. Feel free to comment. I'm open to any requests you have regarding Excel or any other software.